Studies. Attention. All your chairman, sir, sir, and all the staff members of the Academy and my dear friends, first of all, very challenging to all of you. My name is Mike Hekal from class 5th, standing here to command this morning assembly. So, class, attention. Studies. Attention. Studies. Class, sit down. Panchayat. thought can change our whole day. So now I will like to call Harshita for thought.
Every day is a chance to start new. Every day is a chance to start new with this wonderful quotation. Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers, staff members of Trend Academy, and my dear friends. My name is Harshita Kalakoti, behalf of class 5th, standing here to say the thought, and my thought is like that. A dream is not which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. I repeat my thought once again. A dream is not which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. I translate my thought in Hindi. सपना वो नहीं है जो आप सोते समय देखते हैं. सपना वो है जो आपको सोने नहीं देता. With this wonderful thought of APJ Abdul Kalam, thank you. Have a nice day.
Children are the rising star of our school. So now I will like to call Vinisa for poem. And super poem.
Channel respected principal ma'am, all our teachers after learning academic and my dear. First of all, very charming good morning all. School my name is Priyanshu Getwa. Class LKG today my Hindi poem is काली रात चमकते तारे कितने सुंदर कितने प्यारे थिरक थिरक कर नाच दिखाते मुझसे तो एक दिन ते पापा मम्मी चलती आओ तारों की गिनती my English poem is one little flower, one little bee, one little blue high in the tree, one little brown smiling at me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For news.
First of all, present charming good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the other teachers of Trend Academy, and my dear friends. Today, this is me, Dheeraj Khetwal, standing in front of you to deliver my news headlines. And my first news is from international. Ethiopia says 3 dead in Marburg virus outbreak. And my next news is from international only. Russian attack on Ukraine's region sparks fire at port. And my next news is from national. India to showcase defense power at Dubai Air Show from November 17. And my next news is from Uttarakhand. Supreme Court judgment makes Uttarakhand liable to restore and repair the Corbett Tiger Reserve. And my next news is from technology. Samsung plans $3 billion investment in the air power expansion. And my next news is from sports. India versus South Africa. India versus South Africa test. South Africa scripts the incredible win over the India. And my next news is from temperature. Today the temperature of Bageshwar is 13 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Thank you and have a species.
Senior for article.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the teachers, and my dear friends. This is Min Helsa from class 10, standing here for the article. And our article topic is how tiny kindness can make a bigger difference. That tiny kindness can make a bigger difference than most people realize. Even a simple smile, a kind word, or a small gesture can not just change a person's mind, but the whole environment. Now the ripple effect of small kindness. Imagining holding a door for a person who is holding a heavy bag. For you it just take a few seconds, but for him it is the world. It can lighten his burden and can give a moment of relief in a tough day for him. Now, let's take a real life example. A student is seeing a new classmate sitting alone in a lunch. The student invites a new classmate to join their table. Then the new classmate then get a feeling of welcomed and happy and gain a confidence to make new friends and will help others like the student. In summary, never take the power of small, never take the kindness a small power. It is a big power, and like a stone thrown in a water can ripple effect. Then we see. Thank you very much.
Now I will like to call Tavis for chair question.
Chairman, sir, respected principal, and all the staff members of Trend Academy, and my dear friend, first of all, we charming good morning to all of you. I am Tanish Khetwal, once again standing in front of you to ask you some GK question on the topic of invention and discoveries. My first question is, who invented the first working programmable mechanical computer that was known as Z3? My question once again. What is the first working computer? What is the first working programmable mechanical computer that was known as Z3? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Cornard juice. And my next question is, the invention of the coffee filter was credited to a German housewife. What was her name? I repeat my question once again. The invention of the coffee filter was credited to a German housewife. What was her name? The correct answer is Mitila Bunsen. My next question is, which scientist discovered that some molecules have mirror image left-handed and right-handed version of fundamental concept in stereochemistry? I repeat my question once again. Which scientist has discovered that some molecules have mirror images left-handed and right-handed version the fundamental concept in stereochemistry? The correct answer is Louis Pasteur. And my next question is, which physicist discovered iridine layer that lead a theory that a large meteoroid impact caused the existence of the dinosaur?
The question was yesterday informed you that topic. Classes informed. Huh? These classes also informed. Senior classes also informed. Yes. Class 11 came. No, not came. 10 your classes. No. 9. Okay, you answer. 9 came. Okay, give answer.
The correct answer is Louis Alwand. And my next question is, which English physicist often associated with Big Bang, although the term was originally dimension 1? I repeat my question once again. Which English physicist often associated with Big Bang, although the term was originally an dimension 1?
Okay, you only answer. Answer.
The correct answer is Ronald Hole. And my next question is, the first automobile car driven by internal combustion engine that was invented by Al Krenz. What specific year did he meet his first customer to buy his motor wagon?
All mind. Right. Eh?
I repeat my question once again. The first automobile car was driven by the internal combustion engine that was invented by the Carl Benz. In which specific year did he meet her first customer to buy his motor wagon?
They both there. R है, E है. What is this?
Your answer is wrong. The correct answer is 1886. My next question is,
Say thank you. Say
thank you, Vinay.
question are.
Teachers are the best motivators of our life. So now I would like to call Sunita Metwal ma'am for motivators.
Slow progress is better than no progress. So be positive and keeps going on. With this famous quote, good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and a fresh and charming good morning to all the students. So students, today's thought is like this. If you throw a bucket of water on the rock, it does not do anything or change anything. But if you keep the water drop-wise going on the rock, so it will break a hole. So by this I mean to say continuity is more important than intensity. By this I mean to say, if you are throwing a bucket of water in the rock, so it will, after some time it will dry up. But if the drop of water is falling every day in that rock, so it will become a hole. It can be related to your studies. Like if you are studying one day only, like your test is coming and you are studying overnight, so it is not possible that in overnight you can learn the whole syllabus. But if you are learning continuously as your teacher is teaching you, so you can learn it properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Studies, attention. Studies, attention. To give respect to our nation, so now I will have to call Vinisa for pledge.
Respected principal, all the hardworking teachers and my dear friends. First of all, good morning to all of you. My name is Lisa. On behalf of class 2, today my place is get ready for play. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and am proud of its teacher very heritage. I also respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I value kindness to animals, to my country, and my people. I pay my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Along life and happiness, may God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind! भारत माता की! भारत माता की! भारत माता की! Thank you, have a nice day.
Now take this line. All line your shoulders. Keep coming. Everyone, all having some student yesterday not had the I card. Even they were without I card. Everyone check I card, bag.